Do you ever feel overwhelmed by clutter and mess? Or like no matter how much you clean, it never feels like enough? Keeping a clean home doesn't mean spending hours scrubbing or organizing every day. Instead, a few simple daily habits can make a world of difference in keeping your space tidy and stress-free. Let's dive into some small changes that can help you enjoy a cleaner, fresher home every day. Habit 1. Make your bed. Let's start with one of the easiest habits, making the bed. It might sound too simple, but making your bed each morning gives you an instant sense of accomplishment and sets a positive tone for the day. A neatly made bed also makes your bedroom look tidier, even if there's a bit of clutter elsewhere. Plus, who doesn't love climbing into a freshly made bed at night? Habit 2. Tidy as you go. This one's a game changer. Tidy as you go. Whether you're cooking, working, or relaxing, put things back as soon as you're done. Finished your coffee? Put the mug in the dishwasher or wash it. Done with your keys? Put them in their place. These small actions prevent clutter from building up and make cleaning feel much less overwhelming. Habit 3. Wipe down surfaces. Every day, take a minute to wipe down high-traffic surfaces, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. After cooking or preparing food, wipe down countertops and make it a habit to clean the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. This keeps surfaces clean and makes deep cleaning much easier. Habit 4. One load of laundry a day. If laundry piles up fast, try doing one load a day. Start a load in the morning, and by the time you're back, it'll be ready to dry or fold. This habit is especially helpful for larger households or anyone with a busy schedule. Folding and putting it away daily keeps laundry manageable and ensures you always have fresh clothes on hand. Habit 5. The 5-minute nightly reset. Before heading to bed, set aside 5 minutes to reset your space. Pick up stray items, put away shoes, or do a quick sweep of any clutter on tables. Think of it as a small refresh for the next day. This makes your mornings easier and keeps things from piling up. Habit 6. Empty the dishwasher. Each morning. If you have a dishwasher, make it a habit to empty it every morning. An empty dishwasher means you're less likely to let dirty dishes pile up in the sink, keeping your kitchen cleaner throughout the day. No dishwasher? Wash any breakfast dishes right away? Having a clean sink makes a big difference. Habit 7. Take out the trash regularly. Don't wait until the trash can is overflowing. Make it a habit to empty it regularly, maybe every evening or every other day. It keeps your home smelling fresh and gives you one less thing to worry about. Habit 8. Declutter small spaces. Once a day, choose a small area to declutter, a drawer, a shelf, or a section of your closet. Spend just a couple of minutes tidying it up. Doing this daily can make a huge impact over time without feeling overwhelming. Final thoughts. There you have it. Simple daily cleaning habits that can make a big difference. Remember, the goal isn't hours of cleaning, but habits that fit easily into your day. These small steps can keep your space looking great and help reduce stress, so you can enjoy your home more.